Hello, hello, hello. I am the Linux Mensch. Today, I'm going to talk about updating your operating system. So, let's get to it. If you've been following my channel, you know that I do a lot of work in virtual machines, and virt-manager is the software that I use. So, this is virt-manager right here, and I have two virtual machines open. I have a Windows 10 virtual machine open, and I have an Arch Linux virtual machine open. So this is my Windows 10 virtual machine, and I haven't updated this for a long time. Now at work, I'm using Windows 10, and the last time I updated it was 2 weeks ago, which is not really that long. So today I updated it. Can you believe that? 2 hours to update it. And it was spinning around and around and around. Really made me wonder why anybody would use Windows. Now, this is a virtual machine of Arch Linux with the Qtile window manager, and it hasn't been updated in a little bit over a week. I'm going to open a terminal. I have to have my mouse here. I'm going to open a terminal, and I'm going to do sudo pacman-syu. I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to put my password in. And like I said, this hasn't been updated in over a week. You can see it's updating Firefox, the Linux kernel, and even systemd. There's 18 updates to do, and let's just hit enter. And let's see how long this takes. And even when I was updating my Windows 10 today at work, not only did it take 2 hours, it took forever to restart and to reboot into the system. It was a real rough experience. And it's almost done. I guess I should not pause this video, right? And I should not chop it up too much when I'm editing. This is going to be really fast. Almost done. Then we're going to reboot. It's only going to take a few seconds to reboot. Okay, it finished. And it took a little bit longer than I thought it would take, but that's because I had a kernel update. And it took maybe 2.5 minutes. Anyways, let's reboot, see how long it takes to reboot. And of course, I'm not going to pause the video, right? And I'm not going to edit it. Maybe. Let's just see how long it takes to reboot. Let's hit enter. Okay, we're at the login screen. And I'm just going to click on this hamburger menu. And instead of going into Qtile, which I did at the beginning of the video, I'm going to go into the awesome window manager. I'm going to type in my password and hit enter. And now we're in the awesome window manager. And it was a pleasure doing an update. And that's it. In this video, I discussed a little bit about how long it took to do a Windows update at work and how I really lost my patience with it, and I wondered why anyone would use Windows. And then in this video, I showed you how quick and easy it is to do an Arch Linux update after it hasn't been updated for a week and a half. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I am the Linux Mensch.